Hello, welcome back to the channel of Bopetech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make money online legitimately in Ghana and Nigeria. And if you are in Ghana, I got you covered. Be happy because you are going to withdraw your money through your mobile money account. And if you are in Nigeria, you draw it through your bank account, which is your local bank. Now there is this app called PalmPay. PalmPay came out for long, and it has been an app which possesses online transaction. But now this app is giving us a way of earning money online with an income. For you not to get confused, just go below my description button and tap on the link and register with my link. So if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, move it to all, and join this program and join this family so that we all grow this channel together. For us not to waste time, let's run into this video. Now when you just tap on the link, this is where it is going to take you to. Now when the link move you into the registration interface, this is how the dashboard of the registration form is going to look like. So I'm going to show you how you go. What you are going to do is you enter your number here, this captcha, this words here, which is MOHX. You enter it and send a verification code. They'll give it to your number, so you type in and fill in your distance. And when you finish your sign up, signing up, they ask you to download the app. So you download the app and go and log in, and now fill in the rest of the details. When you finish and you log in into your account, this is how the website or the app will look like when you finish downloading the app. So I'm having it and I have already registered. This app only allow you to have one account. When you try having multiple accounts, you may lose your account. So I just log into my account and I'm going to show you the offers. They said these are the offers showing top here. Welcome to PalmPay. Now, so get up to 25% off. Get up to 25% of your DSTV and GoTV payment today. So if you are someone who like paying your DSTV and GoTV channel, so the money that you pay, you get 25% of that money. So that is your commission of using this website. So the second one said we have exciting giveaway coming soon. Follow us on social media. So when you follow them on social media, they have a points of giving to you. Now, this website or app is giving points that you can redeem to cash. So you just tap on me and you go to your points. These are the say Palm points. So when you tap on these points like this, the points that you having will be showing. So you redeem them into cash. Here they say earn point. So how you are going to earn point? So it's for you to be topping up your airtime. So when you top up any airtime, you get points. So this is how it looked like. You can use Voda, Airtel Tigo or MTN. So your mobile money or your Voda Cash or Airtel Cash number, that is what you are going to use. So when you want to send this, you want to send money. Now when you send money, you earn a commission. Now they get 10% cash back when you buy airtime on PalmPay. So let's say if you buy credit 10 cedi, you get 1 cedi cash back, but you receive the credit 10 cedi, but you get 1 cedi cash back. That is one of the offer and a way to make money. So let's say you are to buy credit for your number or someone, you just go to this place and purchase it. You get 25% of your data purchase and will give you 20% cash back in addition. So when you buy data, you get 25% of the data you purchase and you get 20% of the cash back. So you are someone who is always going online to watch videos and you're always buying data, this is where you're supposed to buy a data. So just buy the data here, purchase it from this place. And if you want to pay your light bill, is here, your insurance, electricity, and inflation. Now this is where you are going to invite someone to join this group. So when you tap on the invitation, to move you to a link that you post, that just my link that paste at the description below. This is a referral link. So when you paste this referral link and someone register with your link and fill in all the details and verify with the ID, you can use your ID card, health insurance, Ghana card, or student's ID. So when you verify it, when the person verify with every detail, they'll give you 6 cedis. So please, you should use my referral link. Let me also earn something. For me, not like, you see, I invited one person, but the person did not yet verify the account. That is why, if not, I should earn the cash, and the cash will be sent directly into your money account. So new user rewarded. So I got this 300 points, but the points are not yet into my listing, which was February 2021 there. That is, I was having this account. So this is how the website is. The only part that we want is for us to do the referral. So the more referrals you make, the more money. Let's say you make 10 referrals, you are going to make 60 cedis. So if you try this, you are not going to invest, you are not going to do anything. They are only going to use their ID just to verify that they are human. So when they are done with that, such as something, you earn 6 cedis. If you know you are someone who is having health insurance, Ghana card, students ID, voters ID, the old and the new, I got you covered. You can make some 20 cedi out of this ID numbers. And if you know you have joined any, you join any of this more money registration something, you can use their ID numbers to create a multiple accounts to verify them with your own. So I can make more money with this. So if you want to make more money with this, just link me up and I'll give you everything will be shown. Yeah, as I said. So for us not to waste time, you just link him up, put it on the comment below, whatever you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. Thank you for watching this video.